she telling me no? Real talk, yes. Sorry. Let's go dance, girl. Let's go dance.
Oh, I love the sparkly ones. They're so pretty. Every day I'm shuffling. Oh, those are good. You're taking good pictures. Oh, video. Oh. It's beautiful. See, those are my favorite. Sparkle. Look at how it sparkles. It just fades. Oh, look at how amazing those are. And the sparkle ones. They're both just amazing. Those are good. Pretty much I'm in love with fireworks now.
Yeah, you can't beat some Chinese engineering.
That's right. Damn straight.
Oh, you got a smiley face.
Oh shit, you're right. Oh my god! What? Smiley face! It's gonna be a good year. What? Oh, look at those. Look at they're coming right towards you. So they're that big like that?
Oh, it's like a
Waterfall.
slinky.
Or slinky. Slinky waterfall, yeah. Those are crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that kind. I've never seen that kind. How it falls like that? That's crazy. Good fireworks
Yeah, it
show, I
is.
have to say.
Really good.
Every day I'm shuffling. Look at those sparkle. Look at how much it lights up the whole.
Yeah, that lights up.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I'll let him know right now.
Turn the boat to the left.
Turn it, turn
Turn
it.
the boat.
Here, here. I need your solid base though.
Yeah.
Don't. Oh, we're getting close to the finale. Here it comes. Finale. I can tell. Woo! And they start shooting them off one in a row, like really. Those are so awesome. They look like trees, like growing natural, crazy shit. Woo! 2012! Woo! Yeah! This is fun because these make a lot of noise. So fun. Stars?
Yeah.
Shooting stars, literally. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. What? I've never seen that kind either. That sparkles and then shimmers out? What?
Oh, you're there a second heart.
Oh my god! So romantic!
Yeah. There's Cupid. Oh, shit. Somebody got really creative.
These are seriously the most fireworks I've ever seen. It's blowing my mind right now.
That was a big heart.
What? This is blowing my mind. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at more hearts.
Yeah.
Shooting stars. Boom. Wow. How many minutes are we at right now? 8 minutes?
6.
6. So wow. It'll be like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I was scared while we're out here because as soon as these are done, I'm going inside. Because it's cold.